everyone, it's Bianca from the Stampin' Bee, and today I have for you something a little bit different than your typical card. These are bookmarkers. Now they come from I believe it's the Graceful Glass DSP. It is vellum and it looks like stained glass designs. Very, very pretty. Very, very fun and easy to use your Stampin' blends on. Look at that one, it's gorgeous. And when I came across this particular design, I already cut it up, so it was 4 pieces all together in one. This is the other one. And I thought, oh my goodness, you separate that just right and you can have 4 pretty bookmarkers. And they're very, very easy to make. And they were a lot of fun, and you can make them all different colors. So of course I went ahead and already colored them for you. As you can see, it's with my Stampin' blends, and it's very nice. And it's a different kind of vellum only because when I put the adhesive on there, and I mean I cover it in adhesive, you don't see it. You don't see it anywhere through the vellum piece as you normally would. So again, all the measurements and everything is on my site. So I spared you watching me color again, only because I couldn't help it. These were so adorable and fun, and I really wanted to get them going. So, one thing I did want to do with this one is I did want to round the edges. I did 2 straight ones, and then this one is rounded. So I have an old corner punch, but you can use any one that you have, and I'm just going to round the bottom edge. So let me get this one too. And then I'll attach this to my white. The white definitely makes it stand out really, really nice. So I'm going to corner round the edge of this one, and then I'm going to get my scallop tag topper, and we're going to do the top as well. So you're just going to center that, pop it through. There we go. Now these little edges did come out a little sharper than I wanted to, so mainly because I am keeping this more rounded. So I did want to go in with my scissors and just make them a little bit more curvier. There we go. The littlest details that only I would notice. Probably not the person getting these. Alright, and then we're just going to attach this here. There we go, we have an adorable bookmarker. So on this one I did attach some ribbon. It's a little bit thicker than what I wanted to have on that, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the other ones. But I did like how it came out. The ribbon doesn't look too bad, but again, it's a little bit too thick for my liking. But it did come out great, and they fit perfect in a book. So I hope you guys like that, and again, everything will be on my site at thestampinbee.com. Have a good one. Bye!